Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Motorola Edge 2022. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Motorola Edge 2022. I decided to pick this up. I actually ordered it or pre-ordered it a few weeks ago, probably about a month ago. And I thought I was getting it next week and they sent it early to me. You can pick this up from Motorola's website for $4.99 or Amazon for $4.99. I will have the links in the description so that way you can pick it up. I had the Motorola Edge 2021 and it was a nice phone. I did a lot of comparisons with it and the cameras were actually pretty good. So I decided to pick up the 2022 just to see how it is. Now, this phone is made to compete with the Pixel 6a, I believe. You know, because this is like $4.99, that's $4.99 with $100 off. So normally it's $5.99, but hopefully they keep it at the $4.99. I might have to do a comparison between both of these phones just to see what it's all about. But let's get into it. Let's unbox it. Motorola Edge, it says ready, compatible for 5G. So it is 5G. Here's the phone itself. Let's come back to that. So you get some books. Yeah, you get a book and a SIM slot remover. Yes, Apple still has a SIM card. And then you get USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. But guess what? That's it. No charging brick in this box. Motorola is taking the Apple and Samsung approach to their materials now. What y'all think about that? I don't know. But the box is made from recycled material though. Bam, if y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. But it comes in this gray color. How do I open this bad boy up? Bam. Look at the cameras out there. Look at that 50 megapixel camera. Let's see if it has any power. Look at that. It feels light though. It's not very heavy at all. When you compare these two together, yeah, this one has some weight. But let me go ahead and do it here. Let's go over the specs really quick. She says hello to everyone. Now on the back, since we have the back already, it has a 50 megapixel main shooter. It has a 13 megapixel ultra wide, and then it also has a micro lens on there too. It can shoot in 4K at 30 frames on the rear. The front camera is a 32 megapixel front camera, and it can shoot in 1080p at 30. Not even 4K yet. Motorola never does really 4K on their budget or cheaper phones. So, and look at that. A little cutout. Maybe I can do the dynamic island on there too. Maybe they should make it bigger. But the front display is a 6.6 inch full HD display. It's an OLED display. It is 2400 by 1080p and it's 144 hertz refresh rate. You get 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. It has Android 12. Hopefully by now people will start putting 13 on the phones, but it does have Android 12. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, so the battery should last for a long time. I don't know why Motorola started using MediaTek processors, but this is a MediaTek Dimensity 1050. I guess with 5G capabilities. I don't know. I'm not a fan of MediaTek processors, but I have heard that they are getting better. We'll find out. It doesn't have wireless charging, no water resistance on here. It has like water splash proof or something. It does have NFC on here. It also has dual speakers, so a lot of people really care about that. You can do 30-watt turbo charging is what they are calling it. So we'll see how fast that 5,000 milliamp hour can really charge. But what I'm gonna do is pause the video, go set it up, and then come back and just show y'all a little bit about the phone on the inside. So give me just a moment, I'll be right back, y'all. Okay everyone, so I'm back. I was able to go ahead and set it up. I put my main SIM card in here. And a couple things I want to mention, I didn't really go over the phone itself. So on this side, you have nothing but, look at that curved back display. You have your SIM card slot, charging port, microphone. There's one speaker and then a speaker in the earpiece. I say ear. Then you have your volume rockers and then also the power button. You have a microphone at the top. I mentioned the camera. You have the little Motorola logo. Why couldn't they put a fingerprint scanner there? This has a in-display fingerprint scanner and it works pretty good. Not bad at all. And there's that camera up there. Now it has some of the great features like that you used with Motorola. I love that feature the most. It definitely has all the features that you look for from Motorola. It's pretty much stock Android. Let's see how much storage I have in here. So right there, I'm only using 20 gigs or storage so far. But nah, I'm gonna test out the cameras. I want to test out the speakers. I just want to use this and see how good these cameras really are. Does not look bad. The screen looks bright too. I do like that screen so far. But we'll get into it a little bit more. Y'all let me know what type of videos you want to see from me on the Motorola Edge 2022. Let's do a little comparison. I might compare it to this, maybe a camera comparison. You can tell the Motorola is just a little bit taller. We can see the sides at the bottom. This one does feel a little bit more premium than this one. It does, I'm not gonna lie. Now, here's the big boy, the iPhone. Look, it's about the same height, but the iPhone is definitely a little bit wider. And this thing is definitely heavier than this phone. Bam, and there's the bottom too. But stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos coming out on the Motorola Edge 2022. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Motorola Edge 2022, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and even the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Make sure y'all follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.